Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Today let's see a intraday trading live trade. I have taken Reliance. The line which I have drawn here is the supply zone, okay, where the fall has started yesterday. Today the stock has opened and it has gone till that range and it has started falling. So I will be selling at 2128. Okay, I have marked it and the stop loss will be above the day high. So what is the target I am expecting is at least the day low. Okay, so stop loss is only 5 points and the target minimum 25 to 30 points. Okay, the traders not activated yet, so I will be selling below the low of 1010 candle, that is below 2128. Okay, let's wait and see. Still I am waiting for a close below 2128. Let's wait for the next candle. I have taken 5 minutes candle. The low it has made 2725. Let's wait for the candle close and enter in the next candle. So okay, fine. The order has been executed at 28. Let's wait and see. Now the stock has started falling. It's at 2125 right now. The stop loss will be same with the day high above 2135. Let's wait and see what happens. And the other trade I have taken is UPL. In this I have used the inside bar strategy which I have posted in my channel in the previous days. So as we see, the first 15-minute candle has formed below 1%, that is high and low is 3.5 rupees. So the next candles are formed inside the first candle, forming a inside bar, and at 10 o'clock candle it has broken the low of first candle. So we can take entry at 454 and keep the stop loss at 458. So we can expect a target of 1:1. So the target is at 450 and the stop loss is at 458.1. Let's wait and see. Now let's take a look at Reliance. What's happening here? The stock is falling. It has come up to 2122.6. Okay, I have modified the target up to 2113, which is it has formed a higher high and a higher low. So I have kept the first target as this point, the higher low. That's 2113. Let's wait and see. Now if you see Reliance, it has reversed from 2122. Okay, let's wait for the stop loss or the target. Should always respect the stop loss. It has again got rejected from the supply zone. Let's wait and see. So the stop loss, it should be respected at all times. See the supply zone, it has pushed the price down. So again the stock is falling down. So we shouldn't get panic if the stock moves away from our expectation. We should wait. Now if we see Reliance, it is falling as we expected. Now if we see here, here there is a trend where it has taken support and was trading above it. Once this line is broken, the stock has started to fall. So actually we entered around 10:15. Now the time is almost 11:45. So we need patience to get more profits. So let's wait for the target of 2113. Now if you see, the stock is falling and it is near to our target. Now it made a low of 2116, almost 12 rupees from 2128. So let's wait for our target 2113. So if you see in Reliance, almost the target has hit. So 2116. So the stop loss was 6 rupees and the target was 12 rupees. Okay, still if we wait, the stock will go down. But after I see this big rejection from 2116 at 11:45 candle, I think the market might reverse from here. So this is how you trade supply and demand zones. This is for the Reliance resin, and in the UPL we need to wait for some time. The stock has not moved till, so let's wait and see. I told that it was taken support here and it has broken and fallen down. One more point I need to tell everyone, that once support is broken, what happens is stock will come down, it will retest the resistance and then again it will fall down. So the same thing is happening here. The support at 2121 was broken, it came up to 2116 and again it retests the resistance and the stock is again coming down. So this happens for all the time frames. Since there is no much movement in UPL, I am exiting it at cost, that is at 454.5. I have exited it, and Reliance I have booked around 12 rupees profit. So 1:2 risk ratio I have booked in Reliance. So friends, like and subscribe my channel. You will not be missing any of the videos that I post in the future. Kindly share it with your friends and other traders so that they too can gain some knowledge about trading. Thank you for your support, friends. Keep watching my channel. See you in the next video.